This program contains content that may not be suitable for viewers under the age of 18. Viewer discretion is advised.
Is ordering your stock from China, Turkey and Dubai stressing you so much? Is it taking you months and months for you to get your stock? Just 1, 2, 3 and trade like a boss you are. 1. Talk to Iran Global Logistics on 0740 152 331. 2. Let us know whether it's sourcing or sending money to a supplier that you would want. 3. Enjoy our unmatched customer service. Trade like a boss with Ryan Global Logistics. Find us at Nabugabo Street, BBC Building, Room N412. Call us on +256 740 152 331 or +86 180 723 935 15 or +86 132 502 156 85 or visit our website on www.rangloballogistics.biz. Rand Global Air Express Cargo. We move anything, anywhere.
Ruzungu kade kasuku tujikole sawa namba ruzungu.
Ruzungu tugere namu za kujere kutoka ntoku ndimbuzi sizali samukazi kati ndi muto gwasa sule ewange akyala abulora bababbi abachala wale somuyomba nyembuto katonda ya chembuto genda weji waminge yabawereza buno bukeke obutini
singa babu mutwale bamusonseka mukamwa bwonna nawufulumiza mu nnyindo
kibwa ina guno omugogwa Musa wayitista premium detergent waliwo wanangalie munda yakasajja kasendi kalimba banake esendi banake.
Welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. I'm sure it is 6 p.m. Ugandan time. Woli mukulabira ka video kano. Tutandise ne ka video ka Sevo nga tambula. Abantu bagabe mbu yadda kopa kalika Bobby. I know Bobby naye akakopa ku Obama. So it's a word of copying. Naye abali maje bangamye nti abera keeping a pace noli atambula naye nga bwomanyi it is the season yabadakopa. But yeah, welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wonna wosinziridde okubeera ng'olaba Kasuku Live. Abantu beeyongeredde ddala okwagala Kasuku Live. Yes, kyestasobola kuloolinga out. Madendia. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ebintu bino okubeera nti ate mumpagira obutabuuka bulango abaleeta business, but it means a great deal. It means a great deal. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, yeyembeera nga bwetambula awo. Njagala tusooke ne Suuna Ben. Namulabye nga alina aba Infotrust. Infotrust omukyalo oyo no bambi. Mukwano gwange oba yali mukwano gwange ndudde muwuliza but she's ali mu business ya kutunda ttaka and she's a very humble person, a very honest person. So nalabye nga bawasuna Beni echapa bamuyisayisaamu kati wano kino kiri nengamba katono ono nga yakuwadde kati ayina ekyeggalu ate bamuwadde ne kino embeera mungalo chapa mungalo byapa babeera nabyawo si byakusooka kuyiiya kugatta kuzeeno kuzeeri. Well, it's quite the vibe. Njala tusooke tulabe Suuna Ben ng'agwa mu bintu then ate tukomewo. So Suuna Ben musajja wange omulabi awo yoga omuntu yenna mu bulamu olina okubeerayokko n'ekyapa. Bino ebintu bibiri mu nsi nga bwetambula kati. Mu Uganda yaffe kwaffe Uganda yaffe tukyali nnyo ku customary way of doing things. Ebweru land ownership yaba bagagga nnyo ne ba prince and royals and all those people. Naye abasinga beera mu za apartment ko kagula n'ofuna lease oba title. Anyway, those things. Naye mu Uganda wano muganda wange yonna gy'oli kola nnyo obeereko n'endagaano eriko erinnya lyo, because now that is the bare minimum. Beerako n'endagaano ng'eriko erinnya lyo. Endagaano eyo bw'oba osobola funayo land title. 115 bangamba ebyapa kwe bitandikira. Beerayokko n'ekyapa nga kiriko amannya go nti Mutyaba Muhammad Pax ng'erinnya lyo lye liriko. Then ekyokulala beerayokko ne kaadi y'emmotoka. Kaadi y'emmotoka ng'eriko mannyago, ng'emmotoka wagimalayo ng'eriko mannyago. Bintu ebyo biyamba nnyo maaso awo. And that is the measure of wealth, by the way. Of course kali naku zino tulina digital, abantu bagagga ku digital n'ebisigadde, naye nga Uganda boogimanya ekiri mu ngalo amaaso g'Omuganda. So byebyo mugenda genda ku KFM right about now. Tubeeko bye tuwayamu few English here there. Nakuwa Baby Gloria, the stories and behind the stories, ne Shakibu yetonze. And of course over the weekend naliko ku Ferron Leisure Park nabaddeyoko nga ngenze to enjoy money. Did abangabye birthday treat zibadde zikyagenda mu maaso. Our friends of Kasuku bandeetedde cake yawo mwagirabye ne 1.5 million shillings baisasudde ku Adware World ku account yange. Nefuna obusawo bwa sementi 50 kati ekyo kitegeeza nti kati waliwo ate neyanteeka mu cash nangamba all expenses paid genda ku Ferron Leisure Park gye nabadde bannaye emmere yaabwe pool. You need to go and see some of these things. Ngina kuba mibateerayo wano mulabe what happened. Naye ekigundi kyannemye okwambuka ekya zipline. Omukazi n'afeeseko nanga azikirabangako naye batuuse ku by'omutwe target shooting kyennakozaawo. So we are going to be coming with all of that information. Don't touch it. Enkuba e Kampala yatandise ottonya. Katubadde tukaba bugumu bannaye ebisooto. Twagala ki abantu, twagala ki? Enkuba yatandise. Kale my brother, let's hear it.
Zona ziba commercial. Kati then nekuba eringira estate. Namba 10 erina lukubo.
Suuna Ben aweereddwa ekyapa. Ali mu kwerobozaamu alonda wa wayagala agendere ku estate.
Naye ekibi kya namba 10 nti tosobola kugaziwa. In case neighbor atunda okujjako ng'ono yakuguzizza. Engeri yokka gy'osobola okugaziwa. Ekitali ku namba 16 nti ono neighbor asobola okubaagula n'akuguza. Ekitali ku namba 17 nti ono abaagula n'akuguza. Ekitali ku namba 14 nti ono bw'abaagu atunda. Kati nze usually wema nonda ku boundary. Naye tuba kubanga ku boundary yaffe za busonda bw'obanga tolina architecture bulungi okuzimba ku kusonda. Namba 10 nungi obuzibu bwayo tojja kugaziwa.
Namba 10. Akangeni namba 10 mukyala kalonda alonze eno.
Olemwa.
Mwera ndio buli mutuma. Oli atasula.
Akolerawo.
Tasula.
Tasula teeka. Mukyala kalonda akolerawo.
Kati kujja namba 10. Nagenda abantu n'abatayite tulale. Namba ogezere namba 10. Namba 10 ng'olaba it is 201. That one tunoonya 201.
Omukulu ali mu kulonda kyapa alonze ekyapa namba 10.
Ekyapa kikino 201 17 kati yeno.
Bannange bino si byakugwawo. Kolerawo.
Si byagenda Masaka nti ate ekyapa nakirekedde mukyalamba. Nange ninayo mukyalamba nje. Naye we Masaka.
Waaw.
Eyo yakasige mudekera.
Bannange ensonga bweti bweyimiridde. Pano gyange bano aba infoctrust kyambudde nabo ebbanga. Mukama Katonda abaleeta buleesi saamanya gye yabajja. Naye mba ndi awo nga Mukama abaleese mu bulamu bwange. Ekintu kyamaanyi nnyo. Ina ettaka embalala nze gemulaba wano sigambwako.
Kati olina ebyafaayo biri ebitafaanagana.
Alina ebyafaayo byange essaawa eno mukadde akatono.
Mu regions ez'enjawulo.
N'olwensonga eyo webaza nnyo si webalina. Kimanyi nti nno kino ekikoze kijja ku mutima mutobe ya mutima. Ate nga nebyonkoledde ebisinga ne bino nabyo era bingi nnyo.
Kakati nze bakwano bange obanga ndi mukwano gwo nkwagala how you see kino mukwano gwange njagala kubeerewo nga nkuwadde ettaka era figure esimanyi ttaka lyennakamu kubanga wengula ettaka nga njagala libeerako njagala beerawo ne bakwano bwange kati nfunayo mukwano gwange nambeerako kati yegwe mukwano gwange omu ku gwenonza okubeera naawe ngazanyo tuwagira naawe bakalakiba batuuka.
Your home is more than just a space. It's a reflection of your style, your comfort, and your dreams. At Layout Interiors, we bring those dreams to life, crafting breathtaking interiors with the perfect balance of beauty and functionality. From indoor elegance to outdoor charm, we provide premium furniture pieces tailored to your taste. And because detail matters, our Deco collection features exquisite artwork, vases, plants, lighting, and storage solutions to complete your perfect space. Plus, with our exclusive fiber pots, we ensure lasting quality and timeless designs for modern living. Transform your home with Layout Interiors, the interiors of tomorrow. Visit us today at Bukoto Kira Road, next to Lighting City, opposite TMT. Call us now or visit our showroom to explore endless possibilities.
Ensonga z'ettaka ensangi zino zafuuka nzibu okwewala katembo oyo yenna. Dduka mu Honest Estate Developers ofune ettaka eritaliiko ndooliito. Baguddewo estate zaabwe empya omuli Gayaza Kiwenda Phase 5, Mabombwe Phase 6 ne 7 ne Gobero Nampunge. Songa ne mu estate zaabwe enkadde poloti esigaddeyo ntono ddala. Hoima Road, Nganasa na Bujuuko, Namusera Bugembe, Namusera Phase 3, Kachiri Mwera, Kachiri Magogo, Gobero Muguruka Phase 1 and 2, Wakiso Kasengejje ne Kachiri Simba Mannyo. Ku Lwentebe balina Nakawuka 0 Phase 4 nesi Salutaba Expressway ate Namugongo Sonde ne Namugongo Misindye. Amazzi n'amasanyalaze weegali bw'ogula kyapa ku mmeeza tuzimba n'okutunda amayumba agawedde. Honest Estate Developers tusange ku Martin Road mu Kampala okumpi ne roundabout ya Aga Khan ku Mankeshwa Building. Isimu noti 772 57 28 73 oba noti 7 57 28 73.
Omulabye Swaba Swaba Faiza naye n'omwana teyambulako ku linkini.
Lero twogere ani who has spent a lot of time, who has spent a lot of our time. N'abakazi babeera basooka.
Yeah. Who has spent a lot of our time on what? On what?
Our on air time.
Brian Molondo.
Unfortunately, we've run out of time, Kuku.
Yeah. Let us work. You know what Faiza has told me? Mubangiza my cupcakes said, Kuku, I'm sick. So I'm trying to connect your sickness. I tell you, cupcakes.
No, but on a serious note.
Yeah, but I saw you making TikTok videos. Oh, today I'm my cheat day.
Kuku.
So I put some lemon.
Kuku, you shouldn't be asking for cupcakes. You are not supposed to eat sweet things. Aren't you dieting?
Who said?
Aren't you
Me,
dieting?
I'm not dieting. And I'm back with chapati B. Silly could diet name.
Cuckoo. Brian says he spends 100,000 on his haircut and you look fresh. So I wanted to ask you, how much do you spend on yours?
But I think also this is 100.
Yeah. Are you? Cuckoo.
Nanti I shifted cut inside up sparkles. Yeah.
And
you know when they bazisala ne bakuwa facial bichi. Like when I go there I do the facial also. Yeah. 180k. Yeah.
Ate, tetuna ku receive.
Yeah.
Salamu says.
You just swipe. Or you momo it.
Okay,
yeah.
how often?
Yeah.
How often?
May I do it every 2 weeks.
That's a long time.
But if you know Beyonce,
yeah,
life is good.
Because you're not realizing it's your money.
Yeah.
And you have to you gotta do what you gotta do. Hey.
I said, you know what? You don't get it. But one day you'll get it. Omwana yagambye asalira 15 ne ngamba 5 what?
5k.
Yeah, Manzil said, is that
Manzil is
5k?
Yes. Kinyos.
It's Focus on Me, Jericho playing for you on 933 KFM. Better information and the best music. 18 minutes on to 10 o'clock. Good morning. It is a Monday. As you know, Kuku joins us.
Yeah.
Looking very fresh from the weekend with a very fresh new haircut. Looking really, really good.
Yes. Thank you, Faiza.
Yeah.
How are you? Last time I told people like the heading I put for my YouTube video, like Faiza wants to have a waist like for Linda Dane, and people are like, Faiza, why is she a hater? And I'm like, guys, did you see the comments? Do you saw the comments?
Does that mean
I think people have issues.
That means you like
exactly like we like what she looks like, you know. I think people want you the other way, but we are past that.
Yeah,
We're not there anymore, guys. Me and Pfizer are not there anymore. We moved. So if you still think you want to see us there, hey, it will take some time. It's a fact. Yes. So how are you, Pfizer?
Well, good. How are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you, Brian? Did you see Manu Arsenal? We almost murdered you people.
Murdered?
Yes. We almost. And I like to keep thank him. Go raise.
Kati feche twakola PSV challenge.
Yeah, but Manu has done that before. We've beaten Roma 8 goals. I thought we've beaten Arsenal 8
now
goals.
Your team is almost being relegated.
No.
It's at number 14.
Yeah, it's at 14, but we have enough points that keep us in the league. We shall, you know, they say you fall down, you pick yourself up and you move. Times are hard in Manchester, not just United, even at City. But we shall pick ourselves up, Brian, and we'll see how we move on. Now, over the weekend, I went ziplining. Ziplining in Jajikunyumiza wali. Baby Gloria, over the weekend, like I think Friday.
Baby J,
pictures of her proposal came out. I think the same guy about the cameraman. Like the cameraman way, I don't know really. I don't know. Someone told me the guy is a gospel artist. But
is that the boyfriend?
Oh man, the guy who does the Kasemi channel. Oh,
I know him.
Yes. Is he the son of Movit? They were saying he's the son of Movit. Is it true?
I don't know, but
I just want to know.
He sings really well. If you say he's a gospel artist. Because I don't know anyway. With Baby G.
But
that's the guy.
Yeah, that's the guy. Oh. So she got a proposal before many of grown women we know. Yes. Kocha feminism. Oh, abana babatwala. For me, men this, it doesn't open the door. They're taking us. They're taking people. You can ask Pfizer. Okay, so Pfizer, who is the ideal guy? I think I need a guy where we match the energy. You know
what does that mean?
What rubbish? What do you mean by we match the energy?
Hashtag versus.
But after the wedding, then what?
Oh, well, they are going to live happily ever after. and for you people, you will still be whining, men are trash. I don't think Baby Gloria will say that. Because now she knows.
Yeah.
So she talked about her man. There's an interview I saw on Spark TV, Daily Soap, and she said the man has informed her of all the exes. So even if you come, even if you say what?
Nga tumaliriza bagamba mbuno aba celebrities bazibu nnyo okubeera nabo ate then n'ekirala ba celebrities bwe bamala nnyo okulaga ababeezi baabwe oba mukazi oba musajja nga bitandika before Gloria no wabaddeyo Betty ate before Betty waliyo Mega
mbalaba mugeza mbalaba era babadde nga gye muli oba nga mwagala Jona mumuveeko mwana wa mwami wa mwana wange mugeza
Gloria chicho bagamba ba Facebook in-laws bajja kujja
abaleta ba
ex wuno simanya abaddeko mufumbe eno simanya inayo omwana eno tobiraba ku Facebook
ne ekirungi yedda tamamanyi yedda first of all sibbe mwami wa muntu taina baana thank God those are not skeletons I'm going to dig up then exes nagasagala muntu atali experienced okitegeera mukuluko kunzi of course agenda kubanga yagezaako n'apolishinga okukwana kwe nejewange nakateredde bulungi saagala njigireko ate nange so of course mwe mwagala okwereeta mweswaze mwabamanyi naye nga yenze I'm the chosen one
wanjimamba emikolo gyaddi totugambye
nnolojagiraba naye bwe tujja kuyita naye bali badde giraba
naye omwami mulungi bambi
kiba kyamukama nga daddi bwe yaliira
kikyomulekera nga tumaliriza kubanga naye bambi okubanga yavuddeyo mu bawala bonna abali mu nsi n'agamba Gloria is the chosen one.
Yes,
that is something big.
First of all, I love you so much, Tween. I cannot wait to live the rest of my life with you. Maybe it will end in tears. And we have the real values of marriage, and I cannot wait to be your wifey. Yes.
Oyina akatale ke kakugamba abantu. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now that is the relationship that is going to hold together.
I would love to see them sing because I know the guy. He sings really well.
He does, eh?
He sings really well. If that's the guy you're talking about, I don't know the boyfriend, so.
Because relationship.
No, the guy.
I know he can sing, but don't take us that direction.
Baby G also sings.
Yeah, she also sings. Yeah. But so don't take us that direction. To Sigaremo relationship, we don't want to be called haters.
Hey.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
And there are certain directions you can take the conversation, and we say the truth, and people don't like it.
Why do you say that?
I'm just no. For example, they can say, Brian is a good footballer. The wife is also a good netballer. Don't tempt us. Don't touch color. Yeah. For the betterment of the conversation to keep going. So let us stick to the relationship. But I like that for starters she knows what she's getting into. The man got the conversations I've had, even what I saw, the man got the endorsement of the mom. That's good.
Of the family.
Baby Gloria and mama yes. However, there has to come a time where the distance has to grow. Because sometimes the distance has to grow.
But it's I think
but I think
generally in those relationships, it's you need also to be a man who atalina nyoka janja. So yes, where children are close to their parents,
yes,
as the person who has come from outside, you need to control your kajanja.
Yeah.
First things first, you can't tell your partner nti lwaki oyagala nnyo bazadde bo, you will always lose that fight.
Yeah, but you see, at some point in any relationship, you have to leave behind your parents, your sisters, and it is about you and your partner.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying that the first part the man has, aina endorsement yachi, ya mama we kwa mama wo muwala no muwala, they are so tight. Okay, as per what we see. However, at some point, it can be the advantage or the disadvantage. We've seen this before.
Yeah.
So how they work that out will be between them. Ochitegera. Kubaka dingabe nkunyonyede Brian, I love my judge so much, but my judge personally at some point told me, you need to give me a break.
Auntie, your judge told you?
Yes.
Oh, your judge said that.
My judge told me you need to give me a break because like literally every weekend na manyo kuveka Friday nenzira yo Sunday regular. Yes. The whole weekend. So she told me like she was like, you know, I don't want, because naturally it happens. For example, you can't be in a relationship with me and there's my judge. You get it? So my judge can't be making decisions, can't be suggesting, I can't be saying, no. So for her, she realized it. I think maybe she saw
the way
Madam Azenga movement, teacher, she said, concentrate on your madam.
Now, kugajaja na yali ngabwe.
For us at our home, reality. Reality.
Gamba
which is a fact. Yeah, and maybe then, now, she calls me, how are you, what, and she'll want to find out how I'm doing, but she knows, you know. And actually, right now, I think she talks to Madame more than me. Yeah, because what friction you joke with Jagata? Yes. My judge says, Kati, Jinemiaka, Jenny Cartens down, Nebo, baby, it's so hopeless. You can't do with your family. Custody Mulam.
Yes.
Yeah, if you're still alive, when you're sick, we shall think of it.
Yeah.
And even when I felt sick, I called, I said, now, my friend, my goat is lost. How do I leave my goat when you have a madam? Let your wife take care of you. Yeah, because women have beef, simple beef, and you know. So that's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
But that they will sort out. And I think she's when you look at her body language and she's happy. She was not forced. She's not into it for our sake. You know, there are people who move into relations for the public's sake.
Yeah.
No, but that's the thing. So why are people very angry at her choice? Why would they ridicule her choice of a man?
No,
I don't understand.
No, that is us. That is us. Pfizer, it is expected. It's like Pfizer. If you woke up today and you're dating, people are like, Pfizer, because people by now they think like, oh, magezi manji, you're humble, hey. So they say, how can a lady like Pfizer get a guy like Kasuku?
Whose husband did they abuse?
People are ridiculous.
She was here on the show. That beautiful, I forget her name. Chokash is my friend.
So we keep doing this.
Uganda, Ella. Hey, people were saying.
Yeah, but you see what happens when you are Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. Does not know whether you talk to the president, whether you do what. You know the problem with Ugandans is we think your job should define you.
Yeah.
You know, your car should define. Pfizer got benza kwarate omusajja ow'ebigere. Do you know the Mulondo juice that man takes? Not just asking. It was. Yeah. Do you know the joy that happens in the Garden of Eden? Before God says, I'm seeing you people, why are you naked? But they threw out the man. Don't bring him. Not rewind. Yes. But you can easily find one of the things that pushed Pfizer is a castle.
Nathaniel, enough juice.
But so people should stop. But Baby Gloria, we are going to talk. Talking is part of us.
Yeah.
Enjoy your relationship. If you love your man, be with your man. And to all the people out there, when you meet a guy you love, Muagari, these class divisions, sima, tribe, career, what? They come after. My friend, when you're with the person you love alone at home, things are different. Now, Shakib apologized.
Yeah.
Yeah, he came out to say the people misgot me. banfuna bubi.
Misunderstood.
Or misconstrued the situation.
Misgot.
Banfunye bubi.
You said that misunderstood?
Okumfuna is to get me.
No,
They misgot me.
No, Kuku, they misconstrued the situation.
Okay. Banfunye bubi is to understand.
Yeah,
so misunderstand. Misgot. So Shakib says, but there's something I don't understand, honestly. Like, I mean, if you posted a picture of me with another girl, why do I have to come to the internet
to apologize,
to explain myself?
I'm here to tell you that that's not my girlfriend. That's me and that girl, we're not dating. We are not connected in any way. She's just a friend that I know. She's just someone that I know. Yeah, so the video happened in a public place. I was somewhere. I went somewhere with my friends. We met. I met a girl with her friends. Yeah, so I was just saying hello to someone I know. Then she started holding me in an inappropriate way that I wasn't supposed to be held as a married man. So I didn't react on time. I wasn't supposed to do that, but then I didn't think fast. So I made a mistake and entertained the lady.
Netflix.
Not Kuku, they be telling people call you out for it. People will call you out for it. They'll be like,
they'll call me out for it.
Yeah, they'll be, you're married person, why another
guy? But also, the moment I marry someone, Kadibula for you are married. If I was you, never Archbishop Ungayatugaset, my marriage is between me and Madame.
Labayo, the general principle is this, Kasuku, that because your relationship is public, there are things you must do publicly.
Yes.
Kati Shakib Nezari, they're in a public relationship.
Oh,
so Shakib has to come back to us to say, I'm sorry. Zari has to come back for something and say, guys, are my Shakib.
Yeah. Otherwise, you may not believe this, but it's sometimes those situations where you don't explain yourself, it draws funny stares and harassment in public.
Yeah, to who? To me?
Yes.
So me, do I mind?
Kati Gwe, you don't mind because Madamaze is not a public person.
No, but even if she was a public person, you people, you're jokers. When I get home, if she does not ask me about it, she doesn't get an explanation.
Yeah?
Yes. The moment you ask me, it's communication. You've seen me with Pfizer. We are hugging. Then why were you hugging Pfizer? Yeah, I explain to you. Simply put. Now, these other people, Smaya, Mazari, Cafe, Brian, just bringing their vibe, they don't matter. But people have things that make them lose sleep.
Exactly.
Oh, I think it was vibing. Then also Zari came out in public. I'm asking, can't she first ask the guy what is the situation?
Brian, seeing as how you ate into our time, please sign us out.
What? Yeah. I think we gotta go. Nina story wait, I have the story of I went to Ferron Leisure Park.
You went to
Ferron Leisure Park.
Hey.
I have that story. Nakanze ku Ferron Leisure Park. Kati wenatu se.
Baba Ferron Music.
Abo Ferron Music yagwao nebyuma twabitunda. The moment Katale and Kando chose violence, we gave up.
Twawulira nti mulemeseza abantu okuririza.
Bakulimba bayimbe.
Bayimbe. Nolunga kugenda ku concert.
Chogamba bayimbi bayina babiri boka.
Bali bayina babiri. Yes. Era omusajja yanyiiga nnyo nanyini Ferron. The sentence yali abataddemu disappointment gye baamuteekako. If you know the stories behind there. And actually, I think one of the things that angered him was they had issues with the manager, not the owner. And then they transferred those issues to the owner. Na the owner takolachi tabimanyi. kati kyekyamunyiiza nti wakiri bandiye bandigambye omusajja oba okitegeera. So that is where things, but I went zip lining
yeyo Theron
Park
yeyo gye bagamba
gyogendayo nosasule by invite osasula 10 you pay 100,000 bw'ozisasula kuwuga kwolya kunywa beziggwayo ng'otandika okwegulira ate ku ndala zoze nazo. They are chasing idle busy at the entrance. Teri kuzungirayo ba TikTok asiba bloga kuba bifaananyi idle busy gwe bagoba. But they have good food. Natuuse nga nyambuka ekyo ekintu kyoyambuka ogende ku zip line. Natuuse olinya paka eyo nagenza otunula wansi nengamba death at a funeral. Sagenze nakomyawo kati ate benavuddeawo nengenda ate ku kakosi kali gabanga kale kanoko katambuleko katuuka eri halfway nengamba nedda.
Kasuku oli mutiti.
Kino wachebe. Why?
Go wenna.
Things fall apart kino wachebe. Kali namaliza ke nakoze ke kana ka shooting.
Target shooting. Kati gwe yegundi togisobola.
Yawa.
Kuba yakwesika na miguu bwoti. Yambuko busika.
You say, don't look for money to suffer. Kati ola kali ke nakoze ko kamuno munuma. Paka kati kali ke na de nyambuka nga ntambula. I'm feeling a lot of pain. I think I need leave for like a month. Yeah, but guys, you can get back a video, kano. Some of the things we did, they have a very nice pool. You can go buy, yeah. Their rooms $300. What do I say? Bino byenjo gera ko byo no mwavu. Leave the conversation. Leave the conversation. Muno nyawe mukolimina. Ebisatu byonna byachi agenda sasule fees.
Abavu tugende wa
abavu tukukiriza osobola okgenda kaleerwe wali noyitaayitamu
pozi waliwe bakolera concert ku Entebbe Road bayitawo
Freedom City egenda ku Freedom City Buloba Forest Park ebifo bito gyebiri but for us nagenze someone all expenses on my birthday I got birthday treat yiyo so I went Brian you need to go there
cupcake zinatuuka.
Hey, by the way, cupcake is so good.
No limba muchisibo.
She has said she's sick, Bambi. Let us give her benefit of doubt. So, guys, that's what's up. I want you to watch this video, get some time passed by Theron Leisure Park, and enjoy yourself. You were not born to suffer.
We shall go there.
You were not born to suffer. Enjoy yourself.
Wagambeyo.
Yo wadidi wagudu. Yo. Wadidi wadudu. God. Wakati ngenda kambuka nkyao otuuse
Angolo mucha soko yangu muleke gule soko yangu ono bugira yawo anko ani kali kakoya nyo we buzibu kuba amalese ne wangu
Kaliwa.
Kali akeeri.
Ne kangu.
Wa? Challenge ezikusumbuwa awo ne zikujjamu awo gaasi n'akuwa.
Zaawukana. Kozeko kamugamba mugezeeko mukolera nga tubasi.
Ango tugenda mu pendi bwe tuva wano Masasi. Ango tugende. Kwata waggulu. Kwata waggulu, kwata waggulu. No buleke. Gukwata waggulu. Asobola. Ango emikono gina beera waggulu kwe.
Alagatire nno.
Tugende ango tusa wakati. Kwata waggulu, just go kwata waggulu. Totuna wansi.
Dabayo ango.
Ango ze kalala kalio kakubye busu. Kalio kanafuyiza. Naye oninyidde kali ke tuvaako.
Kati
Ereka kweyiya waggulu.
Kati wanomba maze.
Sebaleke kwa kawaya kali awo.
Kano. Ngamumanya nti ki. Okay.
Okajja koleka. Teka kwereta kwano maaso.
Kanaba kangwako.
Ango kamukamu nga tuteeka wano. Kwedako kamukamu ango. Ango kamukamu.
Wano.
Ango ze kalala kalio kakubye busu. Kalio kanafuyiza. Naye oninyidde kali ke tuvaako.
Kati
Ereka kweyiya waggulu.
Kati wanomba maze.
Sebaleke kwa kawaya kali awo.
Kano. Ngamumanya nti ki. Okay.
Okajja koleka. Teka kwereta kwano maaso.
Kanaba kangwako.
Ango kamukamu nga tuteeka wano. Kwedako kamukamu ango. Ango kamukamu.
Wano.
This is Bond. James Bond.
The views expressed on Kasuku Live do not reflect those of the host, producers, or management. They are solely of individuals providing them and do not represent or reflect the official policy or position of this YouTube channel.
Luzungu kade Kasuku tujikole sawa namba luzungu.
Luzungu tugenda muza kujira kutoka ntoko ndi mbuzi
Sizalisa mukazi kati ndi muto gwa sule ewange.
Abakyala abo boolaba babbi. Abakyala
Wereso omuyomba enyembuto Katonda yakyembuto genda weegiwaaminge
yabaweereza buno bukeeke obutini
singa baabumutwale bamusonseka mu kamwa bwonna n'abufulumiza mu nnyindo
Shakibu alina guno omuggo gwa Musa wayitista premium detergent
waliwo wanagambye emboola y'akasajja kasendi kalimba bannange esendi bannange